Alright, y'all, today is the day we're gonna get the new wheel installed, man. I'm gonna try to make this vlog pretty easy and quick. I know it's been a minute since I've actually had a vlog on the car, but today I'm gonna get the brand new wheel installed. I got a M Sport wheel. I'm about to show y'all boys in a second. But yeah, we about to slide to the shop and get it done, man. Alright, man, let's check this wheel out real quick. Oh my god. So that'll be the swap. We getting out of that, right? Get that bullshit. But yeah, we about to ride over to the shop, man.
My mama love me, but I know she ain't proud that I'ma drop out. I told her I'ma go back and block.
We're gonna get the fuck out of this, bro. I'm so tired of looking at this thing, bro. This wheel literally makes me hate my car the most. This shit is so ugly. But right now, we about to go get some gas, bro. So I'm gonna pick up the camera when we done.
Yeah, catfish. I grew up on Arizona and Branch doing backflips. You know how to make it look good.
Alright, y'all.
Don't know where I will be if you put that bag behind this rap.
We're gonna pull up the car connect right now. See what they got going on. We here for like the third day in a row. God damn, I done been here too many fucking times. Yeah, we about to pull up, see what they got going on. Alright, man, we in the laboratory. Shit. Let's see how this go right here. We in the office. 1:16. We're gonna see how long it take them to do it. See that time right there? It's 1:16. Hopefully it shouldn't be too long. But if he can put that shit up there, that should be fine. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we get back out there. They're gonna let me know when they done. I don't know if they're done. I don't know what's going on. I know he mad as fuck. Damn.
Hey, let me get a good video after you then. For the website.
Damn.
Instagram.
That shit hard. I'm gonna tag y'all on Instagram too. Alright, y'all. So we got the new wheel installed. Shit looks fucking amazing. Nah, this is fire. I don't know why it's doing that. Alright, Brody. Appreciate it, man.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah, man. You know, I'm vlogging.
Yay!
But yeah, man. Make sure y'all check them boys out. Alright, Car Connect. Feel me? I'll hook you up for good, reasonable prices. Right there's Car Connect. But yeah, man. Oh, the bill's coming a long way. Other than that, man, I'm gonna catch y'all.
I done killed the game so bad, couldn't even bring my cell phone. Bitch, I'm gonna be dead and gone. For the day I'm dead broke. 100 bands is all blue. Call that shit that dead low. Rilo just walked in, shit like 10 diamond tennis row. My wrist just like orange green, shit look like a cantaloupe.
Man, I want to give a big thanks for Car Connect just for installing the steering wheel, man. A 10 out of 10, because I'm already knowing the last steering wheel hard as hell to put on and to take off. So appreciate them boys at Car Connect. Check them out, link in the description, link in the bio, and I'll catch y'all boys in the next video, man. Appreciate it.
I was in the club at like 16 fucking mama.